Good morning, students. Today is Wednesday, April 29th. Today is a really straightforward day because you are just going to be finishing the questions that you started yesterday for Mars Can Wait, Oceans Can't. So you are going to open up your document, remember, and that should bring you to your assessments page. And you can find the Mars Can Wait, Oceans Can't questions. You can also, if you've already done this part and you don't need to necessarily go to your assessments, you can just go to Google Drive and search for Mars Can Wait in Google Drive and it should pull up this document. So there are two ways you can access this. Remember, this looks like this. And yesterday you watched How Deep Are the Oceans, the video. One thing you found interesting or learned from that video, defined some vocabulary, read the text, and then you listed two reasons the author believes that space exploration is less important than ocean exploration. So that should have been all done yesterday. If it is not done, you're going to need to do that before you move on to part 2. But today's work is to complete part 2. First thing is you're going to identify the central idea of this article. So in a sentence or two, describe what the central idea is, or the main idea, and then give us evidence. How do you know that that is the central idea? And then here you are going to be answering these questions by citing text evidence. So you are going to be providing us with direct quotes, which means you are going to be putting it in quotes like this. And you should also, if you can, put a speech tag. So like the article says, or the author says, right? So you just need to make sure you are putting in a direct quote, which means it is word for word what happens in the text. So you're going to be finding quotes to prove all of these statements. There are 8 quotes that you're going to need to find. And once that is complete, you need to go and mark as complete so that it looks like this, and then remember to save that progress. Okay, so if you have any questions, remember to drop into one of our drop-in Zoom meetings, or if you are in 3-4 or 6-7, we'll see you today. If you have any questions, again, email or drop in there, but this is straightforward. If you get done with this quickly and you have extra time, please go back and make sure you've completed everything else for this week. Thanks, and have a good Wednesday.